This fitting video is for the driver and double passenger seats found in the Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer, CITROEN Relay, Vauxhall Movano and equivalent vehicles. These seat covers are waterproof, airbag compatible and designed to protect your seat while maintaining access to all key seat functions. Step 1. Start by removing the driver's seat headrest. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side of the cover and pull it over the seat like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. At the top of the seat, tuck the plastic headrest housings through the openings in the cover. Step 4. At the side of the seat, push the seat adjustment controls through the opening in the cover. On the opposite side, attach the Velcro together underneath the armrest. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest is a foam tuck-in pouch. Push this firmly into the gap between the seat base and backrest. Step 6. Undo the buckle and Velcro fastening on the base cover. Pull the base cover over the seat base. Step 7. Locate the elastic straps with buckle clips attached. Pull them around the rear of the seat and connect them together. Step 8. Locate the Velcro straps at each side of the seat base and thread them underneath the seat between the plastic trim and metal seat runner. Pull both straps tight and attach them together underneath the seat. Step 9. Undo the Velcro strap at the front of the base skirt and pull it underneath the seat. Wrap it around the metal bar under the seat and attach it back onto itself. Do not attach it to the seat adjustment lever. Step 10. Reattach the headrest and fit the headrest cover like putting on a sock. Step 11. Fit the armrest cover like putting on a sock. Step 1. Start by removing both headrests from the double passenger seat. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side of the backrest cover. Pull the cover over the seat like putting on a jumper. It can be tight at the rear, so pull the cover down from the sides at the front if needed. Step 3. Tuck the plastic headrest housings through the openings in the seat cover. Step 4. Move the seatbelt out of the way. Attach the Velcro fastening behind the seatbelt. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest are two foam tuck-in pouches. Push both foam sections into the gap between the seat base and backrest. Step 6. Push the Velcro strip down through the gap beside the center seatbelt buckle. You can then pull it forwards from underneath the seat. Step 7. Pull the base cover over the seat base and around the front corners. Step 8. Under the seat, locate the Velcro strap and loop it around the buckle at the front of the base skirt. Pull it tight and secure it back onto itself. Step 9. Locate the long elastic strap with buckle attached and pull it behind the seat backrest. Connect the buckle to the clip on the opposite side. Step 10. Reattach both headrests. Fit the headrest covers like putting on a hat.